5 best dropshipping suppliers in Manchester. Manchester is a vibrant city with a booming e-commerce industry, making it an ideal place for dropshipping businesses. With access to reliable suppliers, quality products, and efficient logistics, partnering with trusted suppliers in Manchester can help you grow your online store and deliver great service to your customers. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Manchester to help you scale your business and stand out in the competitive market. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Manchester. Whether you're selling fashion, electronics, beauty products, or home goods, these suppliers will provide you with quality inventory, affordable pricing, and fast delivery to take your business to the next level. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and strategies. Let's dive right in. At number 5, Manchester Wholesale. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Manchester Wholesale, a trusted supplier of consumer goods in the UK. What they offer. Manchester Wholesale provides a wide range of products, including electronics, fashion accessories, beauty items, and household goods. Why they're great for dropshipping. With bulk pricing and no minimum order quantities, they're perfect for both new and experienced dropshippers. Shipping advantage. Based in Manchester, they ensure fast shipping within the UK and across Europe. If you're looking for a reliable local supplier with competitive pricing, Manchester Wholesale is a fantastic option. At number 4, Avasam. Coming in at number 4 is Avasam, a UK-based dropshipping platform that includes suppliers from Manchester. What they offer. Avasam specializes in categories like electronics, fashion, home goods, and health products. Why they're popular. Their automation tools make it easy to manage inventory, process orders, and integrate with platforms like Shopify and eBay. Shipping advantage. With many Manchester-based suppliers, Avasam provides fast and reliable shipping to customers in the UK. If you're looking for automation and diverse product options, Avasam is an excellent platform to consider. At number 3, Fair UK, Manchester suppliers. Next up at number 3 is Fair UK, a marketplace that connects retailers with local suppliers, including many in Manchester. What they offer. Fair offers a variety of unique products, from fashion and beauty to artisanal goods and home decor. Why it's great for dropshipping. Fair's low order minimums and flexible payment terms make it easy to test products and manage cash flow. Shipping advantage. Many of their suppliers are based in Manchester, ensuring quick and reliable delivery to your customers. If you're looking to source unique and high-quality items, Fair UK is a must-try platform for your business. At number 2, Alibaba, Manchester suppliers. Coming in at number 2 is Alibaba, the global B2B marketplace, with suppliers based in Manchester. What they offer. Alibaba connects you to a massive catalog of products, including electronics, fashion, home goods, and beauty products, with customization and private labeling options. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their local suppliers in Manchester allow you to reduce shipping times and access competitive pricing. Shipping advantage. Working with Manchester-based suppliers on Alibaba ensures faster delivery to your UK customers. If you're looking for scalable and customizable sourcing options, Alibaba's Manchester suppliers are a great resource for your dropshipping store. At number 1, Go Dropship. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Go Dropship, a UK-based dropshipping supplier with a warehouse near Manchester. What they offer. Go Dropship specializes in electronics, home goods, beauty products, and seasonal items. Why they're the best. Their focus on affordability, fast order processing, and a user-friendly platform make them the ultimate supplier for UK-based dropshippers. Shipping advantage. With a warehouse near Manchester, Go Dropship ensures same-day processing and fast shipping across the UK. If you're serious about running a successful dropshipping business in Manchester, Go Dropship is the ultimate supplier to work with. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Manchester. Let's quickly recap the list. Go Dropship. Best overall for fast shipping and affordable pricing. Alibaba, Manchester suppliers. Ideal for customizable and scalable sourcing. Fair UK, Manchester suppliers. Perfect for sourcing unique and high-quality local products. Avasam, great for automation and diverse product options. Manchester Wholesale, a trusted local supplier with no minimum order quantities. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business in Manchester? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.